Incredible India tells us the Indian history and culture in different tourism places. Shows our history and tourism places of Indian culture and all other languages. Incredible India develops on 2007. Why we call Incredible India? We have so many tourism places. They like so beautiful to visit their places. That is why called incredible.
Introduction చెప్పాలి. Our theme is Incredible India. It explain our culture, our religion, our main things of India. Indians are very polite people.
Start.
Incredible India is an India. India has many cultures and many regions. It is a developing country. India has many historical places and many stories. Our
Start. Good afternoon, madam. My name is Marfita from English second year. My topic Incredible India. We are share our sadness, happiness in together. We have lot of emotions. Incredible India started on 2002. There is no regions. They are alone.
Good evening. My name is Harshita. I am from first year EC. Today I am going to explain Incredible India. My topic is Incredible India. Incredible India means India that is unity in diversity. Every country is like Muslims, some are Hindus, some are Christians. But India was unity. Indian, Muslim, Sikkim, Jains, those are all live in India. Different cultures, different beauty, different places, different traditions, different languages. They all come together and live in India. India is the best country meant to be. India has many. Second, India has a wonder country. India cultures are different, places are different, languages are different, costumes are different, everything will different, but their thoughts are equal.
This is a poster which want to tell about Incredible India, and it shows the culture and the key to provide necessity, and it shows the pride and culture of India. These are the tourist places in India which makes the Indian economy growth, and this culture is in India which helps and communicate others happily. And
good evening to all. My name is Vivalika. I'm studying EIE first year. Now I'm representing my drawing, Incredible India. India, it means innovation country. India. India is the an adventure of country. It is most beautiful, the greatest country, India. We will see very beautiful places in India like Taj Mahal, Lotus Temple. There are more beautiful places in India. Thanks to giving this opportunity.
Myself, I am Pranti. This picture shows about nowadays our India is developing. Then our women are self-confident and they are motivating, but they are not forgetting our culture.
Good evening, my name is Sampika. I'm from CSC Bangalore. Now my poster says that Incredible India. Incredible India is nothing but extraordinary India, which says which says that to promote India as a tourist destination by attracting the tourist by showing all different aspects like our Indian culture, nature, history, and history like yoga and spirituality. And also with I'm Indian. This says all includes like Hindu, Muslim, Christians, Jains, like that. Every religions are there in our India, and which this says that lost beauty of India, which means if anyone, for suppose if anyone comes to our India and visit, the tourists just say that I have lost my mind by seeing the beauty of India, and that too, and also lived my best life on my Indian trip. And also we have different tourist places like Taj Mahal, Gateway of India, and also Qutub Minar. And we have different cultures like classical dances, and also different games like hockey, national game, and the bird like national bird like peacock. Actually, I like traveling around world. That too in India, I have my best goal one. My best lifetime dream is to travel around India. That too in particular some places. I have some particular places. Thank you.
Start.
India is the largest country with different cultures. Some foreigners visit every year. To see our culture and different food items cuisines, and in our India we have we have many languages.
Start.
This is Kirtana from EA first year. Today I participated in World Tourism Day. I draw these tourist places in India. So many people are went to tourist places and they are highlighting Incredible India. Thank you.
ఇండియా అనేది ఒక కల్చరల్ అండ్
చేసుకుంటారు. అందుకే ఇంక్రెడిబుల్ ఇండియా అంటారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good evening, ma'am. This is Srinidhi from ECE first year. On the occasion of this World Tourism Day, we are celebrating, and so many people are going to these places and highlighting these places, and for including Incredible India.
Myself is Shivigna. I am from ECE second year. We have to promote our culture and tribal and historical places in our India. So this is our logo. We have different kinds of cultures like Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, etc. We have different kinds of foods also. We have to spread all these food items and culture to other countries. So we are explain this Incredible India topic. Thank you.